you're searching for the best mechanical keyboards to elevate your typing experience, this video is perfect for you. With the right keyboard switches, you can type faster, more accurately, and comfortably than a standard membrane keyboard. GadInsider has compiled a lineup of the best 5 mechanical keyboards, but some options can be expensive. Well, if you do a lot of typing, the investment will pay off every time you sit at your desk. The Cooler Master MK770 is a perfect keyboard option for typists and gamers alike. The gasket-mounted design and Kyle Box V2 switches pair wonderfully to create a truly comfortable and pleasant peripheral, especially if you opt for clicky white switches. The Cooler Master MK770 is priced at $119. The Lemoki X1 is a budget-friendly keyboard but craves quality. It delivers an awesome performance for both typing and gaming, sporting features typically found in more expensive models. The Lemoki X1's body feels premium and robust, and the tactile brown switches offer a delightful typing experience. The price of the Lemoki X1 is just $36. If you're looking for a wired, full-size mechanical keyboard, the Keychron V6 is a perfect option. It's built like a tank, utilizing layers of internal insulation that keep the board rigid, along with dampening the sound for a deeper linear thump. The Keychron V6 is developed to sit at a desk instead of being taken to work. If you find the standard keycaps a little mundane, Keychron provides a range of different keycap sets in spicier colors to customize the board as you like. The Keychron V6 wired keyboard is priced at $99. The NuFi Halo 75 V2 is a 75% custom-style keyboard that looks and sounds perfect and types like a dream. It boasts 6 layers of internal padding and dampening, giving the keyboard a resonant sound. The NuFi Halo 75 V2 costs $129.95. The Corsair K70 Max is said to be the most impressive gaming keyboard. The big selling point is its linear magnetic switches, which allow you to adjust the key's actuation point. As the keys are magnetic, you can program 2 functions on the same key. The Corsair K70 Max is available at a discounted price of $89.99, while the original price is $129.99.